Model, 2018 Peugeot Partner 1.6L BlueHDi 100 Professional L1 Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Compliant Open Mouth Smile Very Clown Bodywork. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101-105. MOT, 23 May 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, simple and easy fix, engine is 100% fine and all good. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1